Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be diving into the world of Intel CPUs and discussing what the K series means. If you've ever wondered what the difference is between a regular Intel CPU and a K series CPU, you've come to the right place. So, let's get started. 1. What is the K series? The K series is a specific line of CPUs produced by Intel, characterized by their unlocked multiplier. An unlocked multiplier allows for easy overclocking, which means you can increase the clock speed of the CPU beyond its default specifications. Overclocking can provide a significant performance boost, especially for tasks that rely heavily on CPU power. 2. Overclocking benefits and risks. Overclocking can result in higher clock speeds, which means faster processing and improved performance in demanding tasks like gaming and video editing. However, it's important to note that overclocking can also generate more heat, potentially leading to higher power consumption and increased stress on the CPU. To ensure stability and avoid damage, proper cooling solutions and monitoring tools are essential when overclocking. 3. Features of Intel K series CPUs. The K series CPUs are designed with enthusiasts and power users in mind. They typically have higher base clock speeds compared to their non-K counterparts. K series CPUs also have an unlocked multiplier, which means you can easily adjust the CPU frequency to achieve higher clock speeds. These CPUs often have a higher power target, allowing for more headroom when pushing the limits of performance. 4. Compatibility and pricing. K series CPUs are usually more expensive than their non-K counterparts due to their additional features and overclocking capabilities. It's essential to ensure compatibility with your motherboard before purchasing a K series CPU, as not all motherboards support overclocking. Additionally, if you plan on overclocking, investing in a quality motherboard with robust power delivery and cooling solutions is crucial. 5. Intel's overclocking software. Intel provides software tools like Intel Extreme Tuning Utility, XTU, and Intel Performance Maximizer, IPM, to facilitate overclocking and performance tuning. These tools allow users to adjust CPU frequencies, voltages, and other settings, making the overclocking process more accessible for beginners. Conclusion. In summary, the K series CPUs from Intel offer unlocked multipliers, which enable easy overclocking for improved performance. Overclocking can provide a significant performance boost, but it also comes with risks, such as increased heat and power consumption. If you are an enthusiast or power user looking to maximize your CPU's potential, the K series CPUs are worth considering. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you found it informative and helpful in understanding the K series in Intel CPUs. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time, take care and happy computing.